Okay, let us go with another extra problem set pagdating ng inyong fuels and combustion. So I have here 10 problems again. So every 5, mag-take a pause tayo. So problem number 1, calculate the volume of a fuel day tank in cubic feet that contains yun, cubic feet that contains diesel fuel oil. So this is liquid again at 30-degree API gravity for continuous operation. The brake horsepower capacity of diesel engine is 300 with a fuel consumption of 0.3 kilogram per hour bhp. So meron ka na namang fuel consumption dyan. Tapos meron kang given na brake horse capacity. And the ambient temperature is 130 degrees Fahrenheit. So let us solve that. So for number 1, okay, given dyan yung degree API. Again, pag laging given ang degree API, needless to say, kailangan mo isolve parate yung kanyang specific gravity at this temperature. Ngayon, para hindi ka mahirapan, okay, dadaan pa kasi yan sa conversion factor, you have to convert it first. So, convert mo na agad yung 30 degrees Celsius. O that is shift, convert 37 pag degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Okay? Okay na yan. So, temperature of the fuel, that is 490 over 9 degrees Celsius para hindi malayo yung sagot natin. Okay, kaugalian nyo na yan. Gagamitin nyo yan sa board exam. First one, hanapin natin yung SG at 15.6 degrees Celsius. 'Di ba given niya ng 141.5? Sir, hindi namin nakikita yung formula mo sa ibang book. Sinimplify mo na kasi to. Commonly yan nandito, degree API. Pero lagi tayo naghahanap ng SG, so ginawa ko ng SG. Okay? Sinimplify ko na yan. Plus 30. Kunin na natin yung SG. So the SG of that fuel is 41.5 divided by 131.5 plus 30. The answer is 283 divided by 323. Okay na yan. 2323. Check. Okay. So, sir, next part. We will find yung mass of the fuel. Yung mass of the fuel, that is equal to the fuel consumption multiplied to the power produced. Power produced, kaya PP. Okay, FC. 0.30 kilogram per hour. BHP per hour. BHP hour. Multiplied to, ilang BHP yung produce niya? I think 300. 300 BHP. Cancel. Nakuha mo na yung fuel flow niya. Mass of the fuel. So that is 0.3 times 300. That is 90 kilogram per hour. 90 kilogram in every hour. Okay? So, ano susunod dyan? I think ang susunod dyan, yan, check ko lang yung given ko. Yan. Ang susunod dyan is the density of the fuel at 130 degrees Celsius. Ang problema, kailangan mo ng SG muna at 130 degrees Celsius or yung SG niya at the given temperature. Correction factor, okay? Kunin mo na ito. 283 over 323 multiplied to 1 minus 0.12372 multiplied to 490 over 9 minus 15.6. Makuha natin yung value. Check mo dun, no? Tama naman. Okay? 283. 283 divided by 323 multiplied to 1 minus 12372 times 490 divided by 9 minus 15.6. Yun. So, the answer is 0.8517. Pwede na to. Okay? Oh, yan na yung SG mo at that temperature. Ngayon, kukunin mo na yung kanyang density. So, the density of the fuel at that 130 degrees Celsius, hindi, degree Fahrenheit, that is equal to, yung SG na to, 0.8517, you just multiply it with yung sa water, density ng water. That is 1,000 kilogram in every cubic meter. O, multiply mo na lang ng 1,000. O, the answer is 851.6565 kilogram in every cubic meter. Okay, meron ka ng density. And then, nahanapin mo naman yung volume of the fuel. Yan ang tinatanong eh. Diba? Check nyo. The fuel, volume of fuel of a day tank per day. Okay? O, di ba ang volume is equal to mass over density? O, saan ang galing yan? Di ba nanggaling parati yan dito sa density ng fuel equal to mass flow rate of the fuel divided by the volume. Okay? So, mahanap na natin si volume of the fuel. Volume of the fuel is mass of the fuel, which is 90 kilogram per hour. The volume is 851.6565 kilogram in every cubic meter. Ang problema mo dyan, day tank. So, gagawin mong day ito. So, 1 day in 24 hours. Okay, cancel natin yung same units. Kilogram, kilogram, yung hour, and then hour. Ang natira is day, cubic meter per day. That is equal to 90 times 24 divide by 851.6565. 2 point, ano yan? 2 point, 2.5362 cubic meter per day. Kaya lang, ang tinatanong ata dito is in cubic foot per day. O di, multiply mo na lang. So, 3.28 feet cube, 1 meter cube, times 2.5362 times 3.28 cube, 89. Yun yung nandito. So, 89.5 cubic foot per day. Cubic foot. That is for problem number 1. Very basic. How about problem number 2? Basahin ko ulit. Compute the percent excess air mixed with liquid fuel oil. So, tridecane. Okay, tridecane. So, that is C13H28 that undergoes combustion and produces 49.2 pounds of flue gas. So, meron ka na namang flue gas dyan. Ano ba ang turo ko pag may flue gas? Di ba meron ka mass balance? O, sa isang combustion chamber, naglagay ka ng air, naglagay ka ng fuel. O, makakapag-produce ka ng flue gas. Ayan yun. So, meron kang 49.2 pounds of flue gas. Okay? Paano mo hahanapin paano mo hahanapin po yung percent excess. Di ba equal yan dito? Oh, air fuel actual equal to yung air fuel nung theoretical multiply to 1 plus the excess. Ang problema, hinanap natin si excess. Okay? Hanapin muna natin si theoretical. Eh sir, meron tayong given dyan na alkene. O di alkene yan, di ba? Sulat mo. Yung alkene mo, C13, H28 ata yan. Kalagay. Yun, H28. Where N is equal to 13, M is equal to 28. O, alam mo na agad para mahanap natin to. Okay? So, hindi natin mahanap ba yung actual? Yes. Pero mahanap muna natin yung theoretical. O, the air fuel ng theoretical. That is equal to 32 plus 28 times 3.76 divide by 12N plus M multiply to X. Ano yung X, sir? Diba ang X is equal to N plus M over 4? Very basic. O, the air fuel ratio ng theoretical, that is 32 plus 28, 3.76 over 12 times N, that is 13, plus M, that is 28, multiplied to 13 plus 28 divided by 4. Yun. So, sir, hindi ka na nag-stoichiometric. Oo, ganun na nga talaga. Kaya ginawa ko yung formulang yan. Plus 28. Actually, hindi naman sa akin galing tong formula to. Isinimplify na lang talaga yan. Okay? Hindi ko mahanap yung book. Sinimplify ko lang. 0.376 divide by 12 times 13, 169 ata yan. Plus 28. Then multiply it with the 13 plus 28 divided by 4. I think that is 7 plus 13 times 20. O, yan ang air fuel theoretical. Air fuel theoretical is 14.9217. Tayo. That is 14.9217 kilograms of air over kilograms ng fuel. Oh. Actual pa yan. Ano pa yan? Theoretical. Paano mo mahanap yung actual? O di, ganito lang, sir. Para mahanap ko yung actual, di ba equal to sa, binigyan ka ng flue gas. Okay, bigyan mo ng flue gas. Excuse me. Yung flue gas mo is, in every fuel na gagamitin mo, in every pound of the fuel, meron kang flue gas na napoproduce. 49.2 pounds ng flue gas in every pound ng fuel. Multiply mo ito. Kasi naka-kilogram eh. Kailangan naka-kilogram yan. O 1 kilogram in every 2.205 pounds. Tapos, minus. Diba? Nakalagay dyan. Nilagay ko, diba? Yung MA plus MF equal to MFG. O, yung air fuel actual is equal to, hindi to, sa mass ng ano, yung mass ng flue gas minus mass ng fuel. Ganun lang kadali. O, 2.205 minus 1 kilogram ng flue gas. Ay, ng fuel. O, makuha mo na yan. 49.2 divide by 2.205 minus 1. The answer is 21. 21.3129 kilogram air over kilogram fuel. Any actual. So, makuha mo na yung percent excess. From here. Ayan ha. So, how will you get the percent excess? E is equal to air fuel actual divide by air, fuel, theoretical minus 1 equal to 21.3129 divide by 14 ata, 14.9217. 14.9217 minus 1. So the excess is divided by 14.9217 minus 1. The answer is 42.832. 0.42832. That is the excess. Okay? How about problem number 3? How much percentage of CO2 in the flue gas that undergoes complete combustion? Okay? Complete combustion daw. From fuel oil that contains 80.2% carbon, 10.4% hydrogen, 2.1% oxygen, 3.9 sulfur, and 3.4% impurities. Ngayon, ito is ito is percent by mass, okay? Yung percent by mass. So how will we get this? Kailangan mong ganito. Hanapin mo yung separate weights. Yung merong kang magiging weight ng actual that is equal to yung weight ng flue gas plus yung byproducts, okay? Byproducts. Okay? Minus 1. O ngayon, hahanapin mo yung percent by weight. Paano mahanapin? Ano ba yung mga byproducts dyan? Tandaan mo, laging kapag may combustion ka, sa actual, meron kang byproduct na sulfur dioxide. Okay? Meron kang byproduct na H2O, water, and then carbon dioxide. Meron din naman dyang meron din naman dyang losses. Pero, itong lahat ng to, i-compute pa ba natin? I-compute pa ba natin yan? I think kahit hindi na. Bakit? Meron po tayo ditong shortcut. Yung CO2 form, tignan nyo to sana ba yung ating formula? Ito yung formula natin. How about the CO2 formed? Nagigwin dito eh. Naku, malas. Wala ata dito. Hindi ko nga naisama. Now, for the CO2 form, meron yung formula. CO2 formed, that is equal to 3 ng, hanapin ko nga. Wait lang hanapin ko lang yung aking notes sa leto ko niyan. Yun, hanap ko na. For carbon dioxide formed for every, okay? Carbon dioxide formed for every carbon. That is 3 and 2/3 nung C. Hindi na natin kailangan i-solve, okay? Yung percentage na lang ang i-multiply mo dyan. Okay? Ito na yun. CO2 formed. So, that is, shortcut na. 3 and 2/3 nung percent ng carbon. Ilan ba yung percent ng carbon dyan? That is 0.802. Sir, ang haba pala ng solution yan, pero meron palang shortcut na ganyan. Yes, meron. Ito na mismo yun. Ito na yung percent. Percent lang to ha, CO2 form. Pero kukunin mo pa rin yung percent niya dun sa buong masses. Okay? So, asaan yun? Okay. Wala. On. Shift. Yung tatluhan. Yung mixed fraction. Shift. Yun. Ayo. Shift. Yun. So, 3 and 2/3. I-multiply mo ng 0.802. Ayun. So, this is CO2 formed in every carbon. Ilan yan? Yan yung mass ng carbon. So, 2.9407 kilograms. Okay, hindi pa po tapos yan. Ang problema mo dyan, hanapin mo yung total mass. Okay, yung total mass. So, makuha yung total mass niyan. Yung weight of the flue gas, hanapin mo dun sa air fuel theoretical. Okay? Air fuel theoretical. Air fuel theoretical equal to 11.45 o 11.5. Okay? That is 11.5 nung C plus 34.5 nung H minus O divide by 8 plus 4.3 nung S. Kunin mo muna yan. So that is 11.5 nung 0.802 plus 34.5 0.104 minus 0.021, hindi ako nagkakamali sa pagkaalala, divide by 8 plus 4.3 nung sulfur 0.039. Check natin. 3.4. That is 3.4. Yun. Hanapin natin theoretical. 11.5 alpha A plus 34.5 alpha B plus alpha C divide by 8 minus to. Yan, minus plus 4.3 alpha D. Calculate the values. 0.802 0.104 0.021 0.034. The answer is 12.86. 12.8 66. 6. Ayan. Kilogram air in every kilogram fuel. Mhm. Mhm. Commonly, ito paliwanag ko. Commonly kasi itong mga to, ina-add yan. Okay, napakaliliit na values. So, pag napakaliliit na values, kahit ito na lang gamitin mo, mag plus 1 ka, okay, i-divide mo itong buo dito. Malapit lang magiging value nun. Pero papakita ko na sa inyo kung paano siya sinosolve. Okay. So, yung mass ng flue gas, kunin nyo. The mass of flue gas add mo lang dito. Okay? 12.8666 plus 1, makuha mo na yung weight ng flue gas. Theoretical to. That is 13.8666 kilogram ng flue gas. Tapos, hahanapin mo yung total weight niya na total mass. Yung mass ng total, kasama dyan yung mass ng flue gas plus yung mass ng SO2. So, masses ng SO2 plus yung mass ng H2O. Yung byproducts yan sinasabi ko. Plus impurities yung losses. Yan. So, technically, magiging mababa pa rin naman ang value niyan. Okay? Mababa pa rin naman. Kahit ito na lang talaga ang gawin mo dyan. Kahit hindi mo na i-compute itong mga to. Okay? So, paano? Sir, the percent ng CO2 sa lahat, theoretically, okay, that is equal to yung mass ng CO2 na nakuha mo dyan, that is 2.9947, divide mo nung total. That is 13.8666. Lapit lang yan. So, 2.9407 divide by 13.8666. Yan, 21.2. Ganun lang yun. 21.21%. That is for problem number 3. Hindi mo na kailangan to isolve. Sir, paano ba sinasolve to ulit? So, that is only yung percent niya by mass. I-multiply mo lang siya ng percent niya by mass. Para hindi ka na nalilito. This is more on chemistry. Chemistry to. Pero ito yung tamang pag-solve dyan. Malapit na yung may kuha mong sagot. Okay. Number 4, what is the heating value of liquid benzene? So, benzene in BTU per pound. Ano magandang gamitin dyan? Tingin nyo. Ako, I do prefer na gamitin ko yung air fuel theoretical. Tapos, di ba meron tayong formula doon kahapon? Kunin natin yung formula na yan. Yung formula niya nandito eh. And di ba? Naka-BTU per pound. Kunin ko muna air fuel theoretical, tapos kunin yung BTU per pound para makuha ko si QH. Para hindi nyo malimutan. Copy natin to. Benzene, okay? Benzene. Kunin ko na. Air fuel theoretical equal to 32 plus 28 multiplied to 3.76 divide by 12N plus M. Tapos X. Multiply natin sa X. N plus M over 4. 32 plus 28 multiplied to 3.76 divide by 12N. Ano yung 12N? Yung N dyan is 6. Benzene nakalagay. Benzene, H6 plus 6 multiplied to 6 plus 6 over 4. Ano yung air fuel theoretical? That is 32 plus 28 times 3.76. Okay, 12 times 6. I think that is 72. Plus 6. Multiplied to 6 plus 6 divided by 4. Ang air fuel ratio natin, theoretical, is 66 over 5. 13.2. 13.2 kilogram air per kilogram fuel. Ngayon, para maging BTU per pound, okay? UH is equal to 13.2 multiply na natin ng 3114 o 1340, 3117, 745 o 1340. Ayun BTU per pound ang hinihingi. So, 1340 BTU per pound. Very basic. Yan. 17,668. 17,688 BTU per per pound. That is for problem number 4. How about problem number 5? Determine the actual volume requirement of air in cubic meter for every 1 kilogram of coal that has the following ultimate analysis. Aspired, ito yung sa carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. Ito lang naman kunin natin. May ash, may moisture, and air is at 27.3 degrees Celsius, standard atmospheric pressure. It is expected that an excess air of, meron ka na naman excess air. Okay? O, the air fuel actual is equal to air fuel theoretical multiplied to 1 plus excess. O, kunin na natin yung actual. 11.5 C plus 34.5 H minus O divide by 8 plus 4.3 ng sulfur. 11.5 C. Ang C mo dyan is 0.723 plus 34.5 H. Yung H mo is 12.4, 0.124. Minus, ang O is, malit lang yan, 3.1, 0.031, divide by 8, plus 4.3 nung sulfur. Asan yung sulfur dyan? Ayun, 0.82. 0.082. Makuha na natin yan. O, actual na pala. O, di-multiply mo na lang ng 1 plus yung percent excess, 0.273. 0.273. Okay. 11.5, hindi, mamaya na pala. 11.5 alpha A plus 34.5 alpha B minus alpha C divided by 8 plus 4.3 alpha D. Calc. 0.723, 0.124, 0.031, and then D, 0.082. So, meron ka ng theoretical and then multiply mo. 1.273. The answer is 16. 16.3089 kilogram air per kilogram fuel. Okay. Ang sinabi dyan, meron kang actual volume requirement of air for every 1 kilogram of coal. So, ito, pwede na nating mahanap yung mass of air. Okay, the mass of air for every kilogram of fuel, 16.3089 kilogram air per kilogram fuel. Multiply mo nung 1 kilogram ng fuel para ma-cancel mo yung kilogram of fuel. Nakuha mo na yung mass ng air. Oh, the mass of air is 16.3089 kilograms air. Okay na to, as is na yan. And then, ang hinahanap mo is the volume requirement. Volume requirement, hindi natin alam. Saan ba magmumula yan? O, air ang pinag-uusapan. So, pupunta tayo ng ideal gas equation. PV is equal to MRT. Si R is constant, si T is given, si P is given, atmospheric nakalagay. Ang temperature mo dyan is given din. Oh, ang mass mo is na-solve natin. Okay? Then we can get yung value ni volume. So, volume is equal to mRT over P. So, the volume requirement of air is 16.3089 kilogram. And then, ang R ng air is 0.28708 kilojoule in every kilogram. Degree Kelvin, run kayong tuloy. Temperature, that is 27.3 plus 273. Degree Kelvin divided by the pressure, that is atmospheric, nakalagay dyan. Ayun, no? Atmospheric pressure. So, 101.325 kilonewton in every meter squared. Cancel all the same units. So, yung kilogram, kilogram, Kelvin, Kelvin, yung dito, kilonewton meter. Yan, kilonewton. Iaakit mo na ito, kasama nito. So, cubic meter ang kalalabasan. So, 16.3089 times 0.28708 multiplied to 27.3 plus 273 divide by 101.32 and 5. The answer is 13.8761. The volume is 13.8761 meter cube. That is the volume requirement of air. Okay? That is for problem number 5. Let us take a break.